Good morning, students. Class 6 Science. Today's our topic separating immiscible liquids. If two liquids do not mix, they form two separated layers. Such liquid is called immiscible liquids. Like cooking oil and water are immiscible. They can be separated by decontamination. Activity: separation of immiscible liquid oil and water. Mix oil and water in a container. Oil being lighter forms the top layer. Allow the mixture to settle, then gently decant oil from the mixture. Use of more than one methods of separation. It is not always possible to separate substances by using just one method. For example, to separate a mixture of oil, water and fine sand particles, you will have to first separate oil by the process of decontamination. Fine soil particles can then be separated by the process of filtration. Types of solution. We have learned in the previous lesson that salt dissolves in water to form a salt solution. In salt solution, salt is called solute. Solute always less amount to the solvent, and water is a solvent. Solvent which have dissolved anything inside. The resultant mixture is called solution. A solution is thus a homologous mixture in which the components to make up a mixture are uniformly distributed throughout the mixture. Take some water in a tumbler at a room temperature. Add teaspoon of common salt and stir. The salt will easily dissolve. Keep on adding more of the salt and stir it will. The added salt will continue to dissolve. When the solution can dissolve some more of the solute, it is called unsaturated solution. Now if you go to the adding salt, a time will come when it will not be possible to dissolve any more of the salt, even with repeated and vigorous stirring. The undissolved salt will be settled to the bottom of tumbler. Such a solution in which no more of the solute can be dissolved is called a saturated solution. The maximum amount of solute which is needed to make a saturated solution in a given liquid is called solubility.